Installing and setting up TestNG. It's pretty easy to install TestNG. If you are using Eclipse IDE, it comes as a plugin. Below are the steps to install TestNG. Install Eclipse IDE from the Eclipse website. It serves as a platform for you to code on and write your test cases. Once installed, go to Help and navigate to the Eclipse Marketplace. The reference snapshot is below. Click on Eclipse Marketplace. You will be directed to the Marketplace modal. Type TestNG in the search keyword and hit Go. The reference snapshot is below. If TestNG is not installed in your Eclipse, rather than the Installed button you would see Install. Click on Install and your TestNG framework will be installed in your Eclipse. As a good practice, Eclipse would recommend you to restart to use the features of the installed plugin. Post-restarting your Eclipse, re-verify whether you can see options for creating a TestNG class or not as below.